Replacing or installing new windows in your Baltimore home is an important investment. Done right, it can improve your property's energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase resale value. Done wrong, it can lead to wasted money, higher utility bills, and long-term headaches. To help homeowners make the most of their project, here are the common mistakes to avoid during window installation, with a focus on the unique climate and housing styles of Baltimore. Choosing the wrong type of window. One of the biggest missteps is selecting windows that don't fit the home's architecture or climate. Baltimore's mix of historic row houses, brick townhomes, and newer suburban builds means no one-size-fits-all option. Installing windows that clash with your home's style can lower its value. Additionally, Baltimore's humid summers and chilly winters demand energy-efficient windows with good insulation. Failing to prioritize the right type can result in drafts, condensation, and rising energy bills. Tip: consult with a local professional who understands both the city's historic preservation rules and modern energy codes. Ignoring proper measurements. Incorrect measurements are another common issue. Even a small error can cause gaps, forcing installers to overuse caulking or foam to make it fit. This not only looks unprofessional but also reduces efficiency and durability. In older Baltimore homes, where frames may have shifted over time, precise measurements are critical. Tip: always double-check measurements or hire a professional who specializes in retrofitting windows for older properties. Overlooking permits and regulations. Many parts of Baltimore, especially historic districts like Fells Point or Federal Hill, require permits for exterior changes. Installing new windows without approval can lead to fines, forced removal, or difficulty selling your home later. Skipping this step is a mistake homeowners often regret. Tip: research city regulations before starting your project, and work with a contractor who's familiar with Baltimore's permitting process. Poor sealing and insulation. Baltimore experiences humidity, rainstorms, and winter winds. Poorly sealed windows let in moisture, leading to mold, rot, and structural damage. Gaps around frames can also create drafts that undermine your heating and cooling systems. Many DIY installations or rushed contractor jobs overlook this step, costing homeowners more in the long run. Tip: ensure your installer uses high-quality sealants and insulation materials designed for the mid-Atlantic climate. Choosing cost over quality. It's tempting to choose the lowest bid, especially with a big project like window replacement. However, cheaper windows or inexperienced installers can result in problems that end up costing more over time. Flimsy windows may need replacing within a few years, and poor workmanship can damage your home. Tip: balance affordability with long-term value. Look for installers with strong local reviews and warranties that cover both products and labor. Skipping energy efficiency features. With rising utility costs in Baltimore, failing to consider energy-efficient upgrades is a mistake. Options like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas fills can significantly reduce heating and cooling expenses. Homeowners who ignore these upgrades often realize later they missed an opportunity for savings. Tip: ask about Energy Star rated windows that qualify for tax incentives or rebates in Maryland. Attempting a complex DIY project. While DIY window installation videos make the process look simple, real-life installation is far more challenging. Baltimore homes often have quirks, uneven walls, old brickwork, or warped frames that make professional expertise essential. DIY mistakes can compromise safety, reduce efficiency, and void product warranties. Tip: unless you're experienced in construction, hire a trusted local installer for peace of mind. Conclusion: window installation in Baltimore homes is more than just swapping out glass and frames. It's about protecting your investment, improving efficiency, and preserving the character of your property. By avoiding common mistakes like poor measurements, skipping permits, or cutting corners on quality, you can ensure your new windows last for decades. Partner with a knowledgeable professional, and your installation will enhance both comfort and curb appeal while avoiding costly pitfalls.